This is an EMOM, no equipment needed. We're gonna hit that booty, girl. All right, are you ready? The first movement is going to be an air squat, all right? So first movement, air squat, then we're gonna get on the floor after the minute with glute bridges. Clock is up and ready to go in 3, 2, 1, and down, up, down, up, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, get low, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, keep it going, down, 10, down, 11, down, 12, shake it out, and down, 13, down, 14, down, 15, good, rest it out, 25-second rest, shake out the legs. We're gonna lay down for a glute bridge. With the glute bridge, I want you guys to focus on tucking that hip under, staying on your heels when you're pressing up, squeeze the cheeks at the top. All right, 5 seconds, in 3, 2, 1, and glute bridge, down, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, keep going, up, 10, up, 11, up, 12, up, 13, up, 14, up, 15, up, 16, up, 17, up, 18, 2 more, up, 19, 1 more, up, and 20. All right, stand up. We got 10 seconds, and we're going into squat stance, side step, okay? I want you to stay low, stay on those heels. 3, 2, 1, and side step. 2, 3, 4, stay low. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, keep it going, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Have you relaxed? Shake it out. Next move we're doing glute bridge abductions. So we're gonna go ahead and lay on the floor again whenever you're ready, and I'll just demonstrate the move right now. We're gonna do glute bridge, bring the knees out, and out, and out, okay? We're gonna hold it at the top, okay? Get down on the floor if you're not already. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and come up, squeeze the buns, and come out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down and rest. 3, 2, 1, and up and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come down. Good. Go ahead, stand up real quick. We're gonna do air squats, all right? Shake it out. We got 10-second rest. We're gonna go one more time through. You got this with a couple twists. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and down, up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, good job, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, shake it out, 5 more, ready, and down, 5, down, 4, down, 3, down, 2, down, and relax. Good. Grab a drink of water if you need. We got 20 seconds left. We're gonna do glute bridges, all right? Glute bridges. Be sure to drive through your heels on this. All right, let's get in a good booty burn here. We got 5 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, squeeze at the top, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down, 11, down, 12, down, 13, down, 14, down, 15, and rest. Now what I want you to do is hike the booty up, and we're gonna pulse only halfway down, up, halfway down, up. 3, 2, 1, and come up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and relax. All right, stand on up. We got 5 seconds, and we got our side to side. All right, 3, 2, 1, and step. 2, 3, stay low. 4, 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stand up. I want you to get in a squat stance, and we're gonna pulse squat. So we're gonna start down half, up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more, down and up. Nice work. All right, last one. Getting on our backs. Glute bridge abductions. 3, 2, 1, and up. Squeeze the booty. And out. 2, 3, 4. Keep the core tight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Come on, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice work. I'm gonna have you relax. What we're gonna finish off here is pelvic tilt. So see my back, hyperextended. I'm gonna tuck the pelvis under. Relax the pelvis, tuck it under. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and tuck, relax. Tuck, relax, tuck, relax. 2 more, tuck, relax. 1 more, tuck, and relax. Nice work, ladies. We just hit a little bit of core there after we hit that booty. Keep it going strong. Let's keep killing it this week.